Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anurag Singh, consultant veterinary retina surgeon at Dr. Sujit Singh Eye Hospital, Pathankot, Punjab. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most common cause of visual loss in diabetes patients, that is diabetic macular edema. Now what is diabetic macular edema? First of all, we break it into three parts. Diabetes, that is, it occurs in the diabetes mellitus patient. Macula, which is the most sensitive part of the retina. And third is the edema, which is the accumulation of fluid over or under the macula, resulting in loss of vision. Now, what are the symptoms of diabetic macular edema? It can present as blurring of vision, fading of vision, dark spots in the central vision, or distortion of the images. Now, question arises: who develop DME? All the diabetes patients have a high risk of developing DME, but certain groups with associated high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol levels, obesity, and insulin dependent diabetes mellitus and long duration of diabetes are at high risk of developing DME. Now, what is the management of DME? First of all, a dilated retina checkup, preferably by a retina surgeon, is mandatory. OCT scan gives high resolution photos of the retina and helps in diagnosis of DME easily. In certain group of patients, fundus fluorescein angiography is needed, which gives detailed information about the retina blood vessels. In management, nowadays there are different modalities for the treatment of DME. First is anti-VEGF injections, which are given under topical anesthesia and are painless and gives promising results. In some patients in which anti-VEGF does not work, intravitreal steroid injections are given. In some groups, focal laser is done in which the edema is away from the central macula. And in some cases, vitrectomy surgery is required, which is the removal of the vitreous, and we put silicone oil or saline or gas or air. Nowadays, combination approach is also applied, which is the combination of anti-VEGF injection or laser or with vitrectomy surgery. Above all, as we say, prevention is better than cure. So, lifestyle modification, that is, eating healthy food, green vegetables, routine exercise, routine physician checkups, and detailed eye examination is of utmost importance. So, take care and stay healthy. Sat Sri Akal.